Hi, my name's Katie Johnson. I'm Business Operations Director here at First Travel Solutions. We've put together a video to share with you to talk about vehicle tracking, why it's so important to us and how you can help us to deliver on this for our clients. Hopefully you'll see some familiar faces, put some faces to names and generally find out more about vehicle tracking and why it's so important. Thank you for watching. Vehicle tracking is really important to let our passengers know what's happening on the ground.
Vehicle tracking is imperative in the current digital age.
Not only for us as a rail industry, but I think it's incredibly important for those suppliers that provide it.
People hear the words rail replacement and it sometimes strikes dread.
More and more passengers are wanting real-time information as they travel.
So what we want to do is make that experience as easy as we can for our passengers.
We get to know where our vehicles are when they're on rail replacement duties.
It's one of those things that we need to get to a point where we can provide that for rail replacement services.
Our customers, most importantly, get to know where their bus is.
I've just come back from holiday and again it's flight details, it's all there on information. Going to any train station, even on bus stops.
Everyone uses various apps to plan their journey, to see how long, if there's going to be a delay or if the bus is on time, the train is on time.
That's what we're trying to do with our rail replacement vehicles, so that we can say that this vehicle will be here.
My plea is make the most of the opportunities that are available to get that tracking fitted to your vehicles and to provide it.
Like I said, the app uses minimal data. I think it's 0.01% of your data, and I know that's a big thing with drivers, obviously.
After that, it tracks me, I don't need to provide updates.
That's exactly it. You drop your last passenger off at the last station, click end route, you're good to go.
First Travel Solutions' provision really for tracking has been good, but also there's provision for integrating existing tracking systems via API to track the vehicles natively.
I think for us as well is giving suppliers that choice and understanding their perspective.
I think trying to break down the barriers really, there's fewer and fewer and fewer reasons not to track the vehicles when you're doing that.
Passengers, if they can track the train, if they want to track the train, so they should be able to do it when there's rail replacement coaches on.
I think the main message that we've got to get across here is the reason why we want it. That's not to spy on our operators, that's not to check, what contracts are doing outside of our work. The reason is for us to deliver the best service we can to the passengers, so that's delivering real-time information, just as if they were getting on a train.
We are only interested in the work you cover for us, nothing else.
They're not spying on drivers, it is purely just to be able to give a good experience for the travelling customer.
We're going about our business in a public way. There's nothing private, we're out on the road. I mean, if somebody really wanted to and they had the appetite, they can come and follow the vehicles if they wanted to. And that's all the tracking system's doing.
Forget, this tracking is totally free. It's not costing you a penny.
There's a number of ways our vehicle suppliers can help us achieve the target we're aiming to hit. Through installed trackers or through an app that we provide free of charge called the Driver Companion app.
Well, our next solution is the FTS Driver Companion app, a full revamp, both available on iOS and Android. The first slide I'm going to talk to you about is an API connection, which is the most...
From a client point of view, it's something that our clients expect us to do, and it's in our contracts that we do need to meet those tracking obligations.
Live tracking has been mandated to us, the Department for Transport. It's within our contract that we have to be able to provide some data to customers. It's important that the customers are able to track their journeys, and that's where you guys come in to help us get the suppliers on board.
And obviously they want to look after their passengers as much as we do, so communication really is everything.
First Travel Solutions have been absolutely fantastic.
We are going to be talking mainly about tracking and how
they've worked very closely over the past few years, going out to their own suppliers to inform them.
And effectively I have started the service, and now in the first instance I'm en route to the start of that service. In here, you can see my location here, so I'm pinned there, that's where I've got to get to. You can also report an issue, should you need to, for any sort of instance.
Our operators who supply vehicles are our backbone, they are our business, they are everything to us.
It's really important that we work collaboratively with our suppliers. We've built up some really great relationships with these suppliers over the years, and we want to continue to work in partnership with them.
Our vehicle suppliers are massively important to our business. They are the cornerstone of delivering that service.
Without our vehicle suppliers and without our operators, we would really struggle. We try to explore every single option that we can.
We enjoy working with Fish Travel Solutions. We've worked with Fish Travel Solutions for many, many years now.
We had no issues whatsoever with the trustworthiness of First Travel Solutions.
It's free. They can keep an eye on their own stuff, that's it. It's an absolutely free service which they're getting. It's a no-brainer to me.
I would suggest to any other operator, if they do work for First Travel Solutions, there's no issues whatsoever, and to, you know, to be able to get the tracking done and give them the information to get it done. We've tracked vehicles for 20 years nearly, and it's assisted us in the operation of our business.
My message to operators who aren't tracking would first and foremost be call us for a chat. If you need more information on it, if you need more explanation on it.
I'm incredibly grateful for the suppliers that provide us with that data already.
Train operating companies really appreciate it, FTS really appreciate it, and you really are setting the bar for the high standards that we expect within the business.
Get in touch with FTS, there's numerous options available to help you.
It's as simple as that, it's not difficult, and we're there to support you all the way through that process.
Make the most of it, it's no doubt the future anyway. Get ahead of the curve.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully you've got a bit more information now on vehicle tracking, how important it is to us and how you can help us to deliver on this. If you've got any questions at all, please get in touch with us. There are lots of resources available to help you. Thank you.